So the other day, yung laptop, ang init, very hot. Tapos walang ventilation, yung isang fan not working, yung isa okay, yung isa not working. So we went to Gilmore to have it repaired, no? So kung malalaman nyo kung saan sa Gilmore, continue watching this video.
So this is the Gilmore IT Center. This is accessible via LRT2 or jeepney via Aurora going to Cubao.
So we enter the building, you will see the stall straight ahead. So diretso lang, ito yung stall. And then this is their calling card for reference. So ganito kakapal yung dumi ng fan ng Marabok. And he is now assembling back the unit. So fast forward ko lang. Ganun pala yun, no? You have to do a maintenance of your laptop. No? Pagka regular laptop, they charge 1,000 for cleaning. And then for gaming, nasa 1,500. More or less, nandun yung price. Pero ganun talaga, no? Yung maintenance ng laptop, you really have to clean it. Lalo na ngayon, no? Very, very dusty. So, mas magandang you pay for those cleaning kesa masira yung laptop nyo. No? Lalo na if you're doing thesis, your work, a very important file. So, ito yung tinatawag na tissue test, no? To test the strength of your fan, no? Ventilation. So, kailangan talagang maging malinis at maintain yung laptop nyo para humaba ang buhay. So, that's it. So, continue to like and follow for more life and technology hacks. See you soon.
Continue watching this video.